Video blog check, guys. Azrael here, and we are back again for another video blog and also a vlog about toys. So a while ago, I already unboxed my new toys, the Voltes 5 and Voltron and Deimos brick minifigure, or parang yung mga minifigures na pagka brick, block, or Lego style. It's a third-party toys na from China, I think. So, unbox na natin tong bagong toy na to. Na, I'm back na. So, already unboxed two versions of Voltes 5 na minifigure. And also, I have Deimos and also Voltron. Nakikita ko to sa mga sa internet, in Lazada, in Shopee, in Facebook Marketplace, in Toycon, and also in some hobby stores. Actually, I don't have an interest with this mini brick figure of super robots, but after I encountered some of the Voltes 5 figures are getting more popular. So I decided, I think 2020 is a good time to collect super robots and Voltes 5, anything Voltes 5. That's why as a toy collector, I don't have a Voltes 5, but I have this a big Daimos figure, which I realized I should get Voltes 5. That's why my first Voltes 5 is this minifigure. So let's assemble it and also let's check if it's good for our toy collection. Okay, let's go. So first, let's open up the Voltron. Okay. Oh my god, everything is so tiny. I'm not really sure who is the main designer of this, figures. Actually, there's no manual, so we are going to use some of our imagination. I guess this is the part of the head. So I'm going to remove the head of Voltron and insert it in here. Okay, I guess that's the way. Oops, so tiny, so hard to hold it. Okay, I guess this is the head. Arm form, the head. I should be start with the legs. So we already have a legs. Form feet and legs. Form arms and body. Let's insert the arm. Where's the other arm? Okay, green. Okay, where's the lion head? Okay, this is the red lion. Red lion goes to the red arm. Oh, this is so nice. The build quality is super nice. And another one, the green lion. Okay. Okay, almost complete. Okay, I should put it on the stand so that it's much more easier to build. Okay, oops. Okay. Oh, medyo maluwag okay, there you go. And I think I need to remove again the head so that I can connect its like its wing. I don't know why Voltron has a wing. Okay, I think this goes there. Okay, and then the jaw of the black lion, Voltron's head. Okay, and the head, and at the back let's add its wing. Oh, there's no cover or lock. Okay, it's just snap on. Wow, this thing is so soft and tiny. Okay, and Voltron's sword. Ano bang tawag ito? Laser sword ba? Or just a sword? Oh my god, it's so tight. It's so tight. Okay, there you go, guys. We have Voltron, Defender of the Universe. Okay, let's put Voltron outside. And our next is Daimos. Daimos. Okay. Wow. There's a lot of accessories. So let's put Daimos on the stand. Oops. Yan. So ito na si Daimos. Wow. So I think this is much more easy to build because you just have to insert the helmet. The head is so funny, and the arms. Oh, okay, arms is a bit more tight. Okay, let's push more. If ever this thing doesn't connect, we were going to use some remedy. Oh, as you can see, I think it has a different peg. Okay, let's do it again with some force. There you go, it's not on. Okay, let's do the other one. Come on, Deimos. Wow, so tight that. Oh my god. Nasaan na yung helmet? I think I lost the helmet. Okay, found the helmet at the floor. Okay, let's add the helmet. Oops. Have to very accurate in inserting the helmet. All right, there you go. And here's Deimos. And let's put the weapons. I think these weapons came from his chest. I really like Deimos, because he uses martial arts. Also has a lot of weaponry. And there you go, guys. We have Deimos. And for size comparison, wow. Let's put them at the side. So up next is the 2 Voltes 5 figure. I'm not sure if it has a two bodies, or are we going to use one body? Okay, I think I see that. I think this one is like an armor. Okay, I thought I'm gonna get 2 kinds of Voltes 5, but the other one is like some kind of armor. Yeah, as you can see, you can have Voltes 5 as is like this, or it's an optional if you want to add. It's like an armor thing. I guess I want to use the armor thing. Okay, add na natin to. Oops, it's upside down. Oops. And then, wow, the head is a bit more, iconic. And what's this? Is this the, I think the belt area? Okay. I think I need to add this thing here to add more details. It's much more detailed. There's a belt, and there's a embossed, detail here. Okay, let's add the hands. It's so tiny. There you go. And there's one extra hand. They include one extra hand. Okay, I think if you lost the hand, you can use the official Lego hands. Okay, this is a bit more challenging. Wow, I lost it. Okay, let's try the second. There you go. Nag-snap na. Okay. Am I using the right hand? Okay, there you go. And here, The other side. Let's, should remove the helmet muna. Okay. Yun. Nag-snap on na. So, helmet goes back in. And I'm going to add the laser sword. It will be more interesting if they include some of the, the beast fighter of Voltes 5 and also the skull ship, for example. Or maybe add like the Camp Big Falcon. So let's put Voltes 5 here. Wow! Check it out, yo guys. This is my first ever Voltes 5 minifigure. Actually, I have a Voltes 5 minifigure back then. It's like a gashapon, but it's already missing. And Voltes 5 is getting popular this year because of the Tamashii Features 2020. Bandai is releasing a Voltes 5 new edition figure. So let's bolt in. Let's bring out the toys and see some size comparison. Let's get that. Wow! Wow! As you can see, a close-up detail of the figures. This is a Voltron, Defender of the Universe, Voltes 5, and Deimos. These are my favorite super robots back in the 80s, and I was I think 7 years old or in grade 3 or grade 2. I'm watching this their animated series, and then all of a sudden the animation were out of the were off air. They're no longer playing it because according to the our government back then, it's the animated series of these super robots are promoting some rebellion, and they are very afraid that it might influence the Filipino people to revolt. Actually, it did happen. That's why we have the EDSA Power Revolution during the 80s. I think it was 1985, I think. So, here you go, guys. I super like Voltron, especially with the embossed detail on his chest, also at the back, and also the lower part, and the belt area. And also Diamond is a bit more, badass because of the weapons, and especially the most cutest of them all is Voltron. So you can see it like it's like a cosplayer, no, wearing a a lion head, but it's really fun to play with it. And I'm going to add this into my collection and display it on my toy gallery at our study room. So there you go, guys. Thank you guys for watching. So I hope you enjoyed my video for today. I'm very sorry that I'm already posting some toy videos, but since we are in a COVID-19 crisis, there's no vlog for travel, for lifestyle events, and this is the only way that I can, express myself and showcase the things that I love. So there you go. So thank you guys for watching. So don't you forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you at the next video blog adventure. Laser Sword!